can't believe everyone made it to my party. I've got plenty of food, drinks, and a bouncy house. I was thinking I could blow it up for the after party.
It's already pretty packed in here. Mostly with stupid ideas.
I'm fine with these tight, snuggly quarters.
The energy's off in here. We just need to rearrange the furniture to follow the wind and create some harmony.
Pon. Maybe,
Much better. You can feel the difference.
You know, having everyone in here reminds me a lot of Pig Brother.
Oh, yeah! I wonder who he'd be.
I would definitely be the bad boy with a heart of gold.
I'll say.
I would be the guy who talks to the camera about what just happened.
In this conversation, the wall is smarter.
I also would be the mean guy who gets voted off first. Show of hands?
Anything to get me out of here.
I'd vote Bayo next.
But I'm your best friend.
I'm not here to make friends.
Well, I would vote out Pon. She threw my favorite chair out the window.
I'm starting to think that the negative energy wasn't coming from that chair.
Put the bio down and kick it over to me.
That's enough! We are not the crazy animals on Pig Brother! We are the crazy animals who watch the crazy animals on Pig Brother! So sit down and watch the finale! You are in my hut, and as long as this hut is still standing, I'm the boss!
Uh-oh.
Bruh, I can't see the TV from up here.